With a performance-based network, making money online has never been this easy. But CPA Lead is in the lead. CPA Lead is an affiliate network that is based on performance and focuses on advertising online that is related to leads. They are known for coming up with cool tools that make publishers and advertisers want to join their network. This is the key to CPA Lead's success. In today's video, we'll show you how to use CPA Lead to make money. But before we get started, welcome to Cool Cash Cows. I'm Cool Cash Cow Connie, and here's another big money moo-moo to you for joining our Cool Cash Cows community and making money online with us today. Go ahead and tug that subscribe button and ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our money-making secrets. Now let's do this. CPA Lead is what? CPA Lead is one of the best CPA networks in the world right now for both publishers and advertisers. Since it started in 2006, the platform has paid out more than $100 million to its users all over the world. CPA, CPL, and CPI are the ways that the CPA Lead Affiliate Marketing Network makes money. In the CPA model, publishers only get paid when their audience does something specific. For instance, when people fill out surveys, download software, sign up, or give their email address. Is CPA Lead legit? And how much can I earn? The answer is simple. CPA Lead is legit and has been paying its users cash since 2006. The platform pays publishers to put ads on their websites and apps. Anyone who wants to make money online can use CPA Lead. A website is a great way to get your affiliate links out there. On CPA Lead, there are many ways to make money. Adding an interstitial ad, native ad, banner ad, pop-under ad, or pop-up ad to your website or app is the more traditional way to do it. Their platform is set up so that the best deals for your audience's country and device are shown. When people click on an offer, the publisher gets paid. Sharing links to affiliate products niches is another way to make money. Affiliate product niche is a page that gives people access to a hidden file or link in exchange for them clicking on an ad. When a person interacts with an ad, they are given access to the content. There are more than 600 niches on CPA Lead that publishers can use for free to share and make money. Plus, they don't need a website to make money this way, which is a nice bonus. How much you can make on CPA Lead depends on how many sales you can make. You can make a lot of money with CPA Lead if you work hard and build a site that gets a lot of traffic. In other words, you can make as much money as you want on CPA Lead. How does CPA Lead work? CPA Lead works because it brings together advertisers and publishers. The goal of this link is to give publishers more ways to make money and give advertisers more ways to get their ads seen. To make money, publishers have to put ads on their website, social media accounts, or apps and games that work on mobile devices. These ads can look like ad walls, pop-ups, pop-unders, mobile traffic, and exit traffic. When a person sees an ad and does what it says to do, the publisher gets a commission. As a publisher, you can focus on certain niches, groups of people, countries, and mobile platforms like Android and iOS. CPA Lead helps publishers and advertisers make money by giving them mobile-friendly tools and tracking platforms for publishers. Getting started with CPA Lead. If you are new to CPA marketing, you should learn some of the most important terms used in the field. These words are used every day to talk about how the business world works. Some of these terms are a publisher. Anyone who is willing to push ads on their own platforms is a publisher. Publishers make content around the ads and promote the niches, products, etc. Leads. The people who visit their websites and apps and finish the tasks they post there are leads. If you're a publisher, it's good to know how many leads you have because it gives you an idea of how much money you could make. This piece of information can help you improve your strategy and make changes to it, which will help you make more money. Locker. A locker is a tool that asks users and visitors to your blog or website to do something before they can go where they want to. Say a group of people wants to download a file. The locker then gives them a survey or a form to fill out before they can download the file. EPC. Earnings per click is what EPC stands for. That's how much a publisher can make each time someone clicks on one of their links. Click-through rate is what CTR stands for. Before you start CPA marketing, it's important for newbies to know what this term means. With this information, you can figure out how well your offers are doing. Also, the CTR shows you how many people who clicked on your offers made you money out of the total number of people who clicked on your offers. Now that you know what the terms mean, you need to sign up for an account on CPA Lead to get started. Registration isn't too hard, and all you have to do is fill out the forms and send them in. Setting up an account takes almost no time, and you can start making money right away. Tools available in CPA Lead. CPA Lead relies on its great tools to make sure that its publishers are successful. Their tools are one of the easiest ways to make money off of website traffic and get more leads. These tools make sure that your eCPM is higher than with banners and links alone. It is highly recommended that you use these tools to make as much money as possible. We will talk about some of the tools that CPA Lead uses to provide its great services. Content Locker. The Content Locker is a way for publishers to make money on CPA Lead. It lets them lock up premium content. When content is locked, viewers have to complete an offer to get access to it. This is very helpful for bloggers who have high-quality content that people want to see. The Content Locker is a tool that lets you lock a page with content by giving you a survey or an offer. The content can only be unlocked and accessed by the audience after they have completed the offer. How much money you can make from this depends on what you write. Because of this, you need to make sure that your content is useful, or your audience won't stick around to finish the offer. Exit Traffic Tool. Making money from traffic is good, so why not make money from the traffic you already have? With this tool, you can make money from people who want to leave your site. Sounds great. The tool works by giving people who are leaving an audience a survey or an offer to fill out. After they finish the offer, they are free to move on. It's a great tool because you have nothing to lose and a lot to gain. Download widget. As was already said, making money from traffic is great, but making money from content that can be downloaded is even better. Yes, you might not make as much money as you would from traffic, but you're sure to get some extra cash. This tool is for you if you have free downloadable content like ebooks, audio, or video tutorials. People don't always want to pay for these kinds of products, but with CPA Lead's download widget, you can still make money even from free downloads. The download widget locks your files that can be downloaded and promotes the products that you want to sell. When a person clicks download, the widget shows them a survey or offer that they have to fill out. When the book is done, the publisher gets paid. Banner tool. There are two main types of banners, those that give something away and those that don't. The banner tool makes it easy for publishers to add banners to their websites, which can increase conversion rates by a lot. Link Locker. You don't need a website if you use the Link Locker tool. You can use this tool without having a website, and it lets you lock any link you want. If, for example, you find content on the web that fits your niche, you can use CPA Lead's Link Locker to lock the link to the page and make people complete an offer before they can go to the locked link. You can also share your locked link on social media to get more people to visit your site. Earning money with CPA Lead. CPA Lead has different methods for its publishers to earn money on its platform. With CPA Lead, there are many ways to make money. Some of these ways are better than others, but if you do them right, you are sure to make money. Surveys. Members of CPA Lead probably do surveys more than anything else to make money. When you log into your dashboard, you'll see a lot of ready-to-use niches that you can promote on your website or Facebook page. When people click on your niche page, your content locker goes into action and asks them to fill out a survey. When you're done, you get between 30 cents and $3. On your dashboard, you can find a lot of niches. Trials. For this way to make money, people have to sign up for a free trial of a certain product before they can see the page. This method isn't very common, and there are good reasons for that. It often promotes shady deals that can hurt your trust and reputation. If you want to use this method, you should do a lot of research before putting it to use. Mobile. For this way to make money on CPA Lead, people have to enter their phone numbers in the space provided before they can access content. Here, you'll make between $3 and $10 for each person who completes the offer. Purchases. This is similar to affiliate marketing in general, where the audience has to buy something. In this case, your audience has to buy a product in order to get to the page they want. This method of making money depends on how much money your audience has, which takes the initiative away from you. It's not easy to get people to pay money just so they can read a page, download a song, or play a game. If you can convince them, you could make a lot of money. Referral. When you sign up for CPA Lead, you will be given a referral link. This makes sure you can join the CPA Lead referral program. When someone uses your unique referral link to sign up for CPA Lead, the platform gives you a 10% bonus commission for every lead that person generates. For clarity, for every dollar your referral makes, you will get 10 cents for 6 months. The bigger the referral, or the more people it brings in, the more money you make. It's important to say here that when someone clicks on your referral link, they automatically get a 10-day cookie. This cookie gives your user enough time to learn about CPA Lead and then sign up when they are ready. Receiving payment from CPA Lead. Publishers who work with CPA Lead can get paid either once a week or once a month. Before you can ask for payment, you must have at least $10 on the platform. Payments can be made through PayPal, Payoneer, Direct Wire, ACH, or a bank check. CPA Lead's pros. Can ask for payment once a week or once a month. There are a lot of offers on CPA Lead. The platform brags that its commission rate for publishers is very good. It is simple to use. The platform has a referral program that lets people make extra money. They help new publishers get started by giving them tools and training. Cons of CPA Lead. Some offers are for shady products, and if you put them on your site, it could hurt your reputation. Some users have said they didn't get paid on time or at all. Some offers, like free trials and offers for your phone, can be annoying. You can only make money from referrals for 6 months. In other networks, you can make money from referrals for the rest of your life. Tier 3 countries are getting less offers from CPA Lead. New users may not know how to choose between offers. CPA Lead is a legit network, and if you're interested in performance-based affiliate marketing, you should look into it. It has a good reputation and has been doing business for a while. It is guaranteed to be true, and it has some of the best services out there. CPA Lead lets new marketers who might get turned down by other CPA network learn how to make money with CPA campaigns. Now they can use what they've learned to try to get approval on other platforms. There is no limit to how much you can earn on CPA Lead if you have great content and work hard on your website or app. For more money-making secrets, click the video on the screen now.